Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix Arlo camera not recording. So if you are not able to find the recordings in your Arlo library, you just have to simply follow these steps. First of all, you must have an active Arlo secure subscription for the camera to record. To check if you have an active subscription, you need to launch the Arlo secure application, or you can even log in into your arlo.com account. Then you need to tap or click on settings and tap or click on the subscription option. Afterwards, you just have to make sure that your camera is part of an active Arlo secure subscription. In order to get it, you just have to simply go to the subscription section and then tap on the click manage camera option. So you need to note that cameras listed under no plan will not be able to record to the cloud. So you need to move the camera from no plan to your Arlo secure plan. Move the camera by tapping or clicking on the three bars to the top right hand corner of the screen and hold while dragging it up and dropping it into the Arlo secure plan list. You can even take a look at this photograph over here for better understanding. This will move the camera up to include the device in the Arlo secure plan. After that, you can try logging out of the Arlo secure application and log back in. And in order to do it, you can also follow these steps. Then you just have to simply follow some further steps that are given over here if your problem persists, but in most of the cases you are gonna fix your problem in this section. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.